Matapos muling kumalat ang live video ng social media influencer at kapamilya actress na si Jella Alonte na kung saan sinagot nito ang tanong ng netizen sa kanya kaugnay sa political dynasty, marami ang bumatikos dito. Nakalaunan nga, humingi ito ng paumanhin sa mga nasabi niya noon sa kanyang live.
What are your thoughts about political dynasties here in the Philippines? Paano ba yan? Nasa political dynasty yung pamilya ko. Ay, controversial.
Sa Twitter nito ay sunod-sunod ang post ng social media influencer. Ayon kay Jella ay mali umano ang kanyang paraan ng pagsagot sa katanungan sa kanya noon. Humingi ito ng paumanhin sa publiko. I know the clip from a year ago upset a lot of people, and I understand why. I shouldn't have answered the question the way I did or at all. I didn't laugh out of pride or arrogance. It was a nervous response to a question that I knew would be met with criticism. No matter how I answered, that was my mistake, and I take accountability for how I handled that moment. My decision to pursue medicine does not change my background, but I hope it shows that I'm working toward my own path. I can only speak for myself, for my choices, my values, and how I move forward, and I hope I get the chance to do that on my terms. I've said what I needed to say and I stand by it. What others say and I assume are out of my control, but I'll keep focusing on growing, not arguing. Nobody is perfect, yet so many of you act like you've never had any mistakes in your life just cause they aren't publicized. It's not fair to use others' mistakes against them when you can call them out properly and give them a chance to grow and learn. Isn't that how it should be? There's a difference between pulling others down and calling them out. The world would be so much better if majority choose to do the latter. Binalikan din ng publiko ang nagdaang birthday ni Jella Alonte na kung saan gigil din ang mga taga-Binyan dahil habang binabaha ang lugar nila dahil sa malakas na ulan, nagpa-party naman si Jella, imbis na tulungan ang kanyang mga kababayan na nasalanta. Jella Alonte is getting stressed out about being called out while others are stressed out just trying to survive because they've been deprived of the benefits they rightfully deserve from their own money. See the difference? Alam natin mababaon lang sa limot ang issue nila, kaya please wag na natin sila hayaan makabalik sa social media platforms. That least we can do pag nag-die down na yung issue, stop supporting them. The poor gets poorer because they keep on voting those that feed them with little money, not knowing that is just a small portion of what they will be stealing when they finally get their seat in the government and get the budget should benefit us citizens. Jella Alonte, your parents should serve us, not the other way around. Ano, baliktad na ba? Kami na magsaserve sa inyo para lang magkaroon kayo ng limpak-limpak na salapi? So many people act like you've never had any mistakes in your life just because they aren't publicized. Ay ate, hindi kami nagpa-party habang binabaha yung ibang tao sa Pilipinas. Kung ako may ganyang karaming nakurakot, I'll make sure na hindi na misyongit. But why are these girlies? Shame all of them. Did you see the small village of your own hometown? Still, you can eat and can sleep well, so shaming of all you guys. Wala naman big project si Jella pero yung lifestyle, akala mo ka-level ng mga bigating artista na may lavish lifestyle through hard work. Kaka-comment ko pa lang 1 seconds ago kay Jella Alonte ng don't you ever feel bothered waking up each day wearing luxury brands that may have come from corruption or the hard-earned taxes of the people? That money is meant to serve the public, but at the end of the day, it's really up to God to return to each of us what we truly deserve, whether good or bad. Deleted nga agad the audacity. Ngayon talaga dapat i-adapt na natin ang Korean style shaming to the point na bibitaw ng mga yan o kung ano man mangyari sa kanila, I don't care. Sawa na ako sumulong sa baha, kakalaba mo lang from off tas papasok kang may baha. May every corrupt politicians and all those who benefit from their greed face the consequences of their actions in this life or the next. May you all suffer. We need to open our eyes, guys. Huwag nating i-tolerate yung mga taong ninakawan yung kaban ng bayan, samantalang tayo hirap na hirap lumaban. Bali ganito ang option. Kunwari, nagve-vacation lang si Jella sa ibang bansa. Alam nyo na, parang dati lang, pero this time hindi muna uuwi. Ang gaga, hanggang mawala ang issue. May issue ang lolo niya, di lang may mag-talk basta something great and na gusto nilang pagtakpan.